Across the world, the demand for electricity is arriving faster than the grid built to carry it. Not in the great cities, but at the edges. On a mountainside, at the end of a haul road, where the ground holds something valuable and the power to reach it doesn't yet exist. A gold deposit miles from the nearest line. A mine that runs on diesel because nothing else can reach it. A port, a relief operation after the storm. Each one needs power now, and a permanent grid connection can take years to build, or may never come at all. So the question is changing. Not only where do we build the grid, but how do we deliver power itself? In Lake Park, Florida, a company called Meta Power Solutions is among those answering that question a different way. Not just building the hardware, but delivering energy as a service. Power that ships, switches on, and is supported for as long as it's needed.
So the constraint has moved. It used to be capital and chips, and now it's power itself. So companies, they want it as a capability, energized now and on their timeline. So it collapses the timeline for companies, right? When we have an all-in-one system, what we do is we put a full balance of system into one containerized unit. We build and test the whole system in the factory and then ship it out, and you're energized in months rather than years. In that system, we have our transformer, our medium voltage switchgear, Caterpillar engine, cooling system, emissions control, all in one package. One of the benefits with MPS is that we host and own our manufacturing facilities. We don't outsource, which is nice because we have a grasp on everything that we provide to continue with the quality product.
Containerized substations, standardized and shipped to sites around the world. And a new kind of mobile power station. Generation, transformation, distribution and cooling, integrated inside a single container. What used to be a construction project, even at the end of a mountain haul road, MPS turns into a delivery date. Every container that leaves this facility is integrated and tested as a single machine to IEEE, ANSI, NEMA and IEC standards for the markets it's bound for. Then run, loaded and run again before it's ever cleared to ship. Because where these units are going, there is rarely a second truck right behind them.
So energy as a service is not only hardware, it's really about providing power generation when it's required and needed. It's not dependent upon the utility, it's really dependent upon the customer and when they need energy at that point in time. So most companies are dependent upon the utility, and that could be either in a rural area or a heavy dense city environment. But the reality of it is that you need power at any moment and any time, and that's what our mobile power station does. So with the strain on the grid these days, and the dependency upon power and people needing power, whether it be for data centers, heavy machinery applications or mining or any of those types of applications, these mobile power stations will allow you to have power when you need it, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year.
The world doesn't always need a bigger grid. Sometimes it needs power that comes to you, delivered, energized and running, wherever the need is. Visit Meta Power Solutions at www.metapowersolutions.com and see how energy can be of service to you anywhere.